Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? Let me introduce myself. My name is Ratu Febi Nur Aini. I'm from class 12A nursing. Here I will present my report about favorite food nursing class 10A student for MS Nova Rosmala Dewi SPD. Next, firstly, Chapter 1A, Abstract or Executive Summary. This report intends to find out the favorite types of food for students in class 10A nursing. B. Introduction or background. This report aims to determine what types of favorite foods can be introduced to students in class 10I Nursing at SMK Kesehatan Husada Pratama. Currently, I have the opportunity to meet friends to practice English with the method of favorite types of food used in extensive interview with students in class 10A Nursing at SMK Kesehatan Husada Pratama. Next, Chapter 2A, Main Body of Report Discussion. The following question I have made for the nursing class 10A to answer. Next, the following are the results of data processing for the answer of class 10A nursing student from the question above. Jadi, ini adalah hasil pengolahan data yang sudah saya kumpulkan dari kelas 10A keperawatan. Next, based on the data above, the following percentage result. Number 1, based on the data above, in the first question, that there are 16 students who choose spicy food, which is 45.7%. And there are 4 students who choose sweet food, which is 11.4%. Number 2, based on the data above, in the second question, that the number of 11 students who choose the types of soup, which is 31.4%. And there are 9 students who choose the type of dry food, which is 25.7%. Number 3, based on the data above, in the third question, that the number of 15 students who choose seblak food, which is 42.9%. And there are 5 students who choose fried rice food, which is 14.3%. Number 4, based on the data above, in the fourth question, that the number of 11 students who choose that fried rice drinks with suitable to accompany meals, which was 31.4%. And there were 9 students who choose coffee drinks that were suitable to accompany meals, which were 25.7%. Number 5, based on the data above, in the fifth question, that the number of 12 students who choose to buy food and drink at street vendors, which is 34.4%. And there are 8 students who choose to buy food and drink at restaurant, which is 22.9%. B. Conclusion and recommendation. Based on the data above, I conclude that friends at SMK Kesehatan Husada Pratama discuss their favorite food with a spicy taste with the type of food with soup in the form of seblak, food accompanied by fruit juice, and boy food and drink at street vendors or soup house. This picture documentation 10A nursing. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.